Let's be honest, Netflix can be frustrating. They cancel shows people love. They raise prices quietly. They rarely explain decisions. And if you ever need help, there's no real conversation to be had. By most definitions, that's bad customer experience. And yet, people stay. Not because Netflix listens well, not because it's generous, and definitely not because it's friendly. Netflix wins because it understands something uncomfortable. Habit beats happiness. Think about how you use Netflix. You don't open it excited, you open it automatically. After work, after dinner, late at night. It's not a decision, it's a reflex action. Netflix doesn't design for delight, it designs for continuity. The interface remembers you. The show starts playing before you decide. The next episode rolls in before you have time to reflect. So when Netflix cancels a show you love, you complain, but you don't leave. When the price goes up suddenly, you sigh, but you still stay. Because leaving means breaking a routine, and routines are powerful. They can be addictive. Now here's where Netflix fails. It sacrifices emotional loyalty. People don't feel respected. They don't feel heard. They don't feel considered. And over time, that builds quiet resentment. But Netflix is betting on something else. That convenience and habit will outlast frustration. And so far, they are right. This doesn't make Netflix admirable. It makes it strategic. So, if you are building a product or service, here's the real question you should be asking. Are customers choosing you because they love you or because you've become part of their routine? Because those are very different kinds of loyalty. Netflix proves that you can frustrate customers and still win, but it also shows the risk. When habit finally breaks, there is very little left to hold on to. And that's experience. Did you enjoy this show? Has it been helpful to you one way or the other? If the answer is yes, then stick with me and subscribe to my channel. See you next week.